Ito ang isang masaklap na pangyayari kahapon sa loob ng Kongreso ng Pilipinas na kung saan ay isang kongresista, isang mambabatas ang napatalsik sa kanyang trabaho. Bilang isang mambabatas, napatalsik siya ng kapwa niya mga mambabatas sa boto na 265 na tumatagingting. And I'm talking about kay Congressman Francisco Kiko Barsaga ng 4th District ng Cavite Province. Alam naman natin na masyadong nagwa-viral itong si Congressman Kiko Miao Barsaga sa social media dahil ang hilig-hilig nito magpo-post ng kanyang mga komentaryo. Tinitira niya yung kapwa niya mga kongresista na di umano ay mga buaya, na di umano ang kongreso ay crocodile farm, hanggang sa kung ano-anong mga maisip niya ay sinasabi niya. Kaya directly doon sa kanyang mga statement, yun ay humulog doon na violation sa kanilang ethical standard of being a part of the House of Representatives, congressman at that, at meron silang sinusunod na mga pamantasan at house rules dyan sa kanilang kongreso. Kaya ang kanyang mga nagawa at mga naging previous pang nagawa ay talagang inimbestigahan yan ng Committee on Ethics, lalong-lalo na at meron siyang may mga reklamo sa kanya. Maalala niyo yung National Bureau of Investigation ay nag-file din ng reklamo dahil sa kanya diyan mismo sa Committee on Ethics sa House of Congress. Dahil sa kanyang mga pinagsasabi ukol sa mga latest na mga nangyayari dito sa ating bansa, yung pagkakalabas ng warrant of arrest kay Bato, yung putukan sa Senado, kung ano-anong mga issue sa gobyerno, ay nagpo-post siya kung ano-anong mga problema sa gobyerno, sabay tira. So yung mga ganon ay ang naging basihan upang magdesisyon ang House of Congress na siya'y patalsikin bilang membro ng mga mambabatas ng bansa.
The formal investigation revealed substantial evidence that Representative Barsaga engaged in a pattern of highly disruptive, discourteous, and disorderly behavior that directly obstructed plenary sessions and desecrated parliamentary solemnity. The established infractions include, number 1, disruptive physical demeanor, repeatedly interrupting actual plenary sessions by walking around aimlessly, engaging in loud outbursts, and distracting members during crucial legislative tasks. Number 2, mockery of the leadership. On the 17th of September 2025, the respondent posted a video on his official Facebook page, superimposing animated crocodiles over the former House Speaker and the Majority Leader during an official speech, pairing it with a mocking comedic tune to humiliate the leadership. Number 3, unauthorized and slanderous live broadcasts. On the 23rd and 24th of September 2025, at the height of the critical 2026 national budget deliberations, the respondent conducted unauthorized Facebook live broadcasts from the plenary floor. He used these live streams to record colleagues without consent, mock the proceedings, and make serious unparliamentary actuations live on camera. Madam Speaker, Section 4A(b) of Republic Act 6713 explicitly commands all public officials to observe professionalism as a core standard of personal conduct. The actions of the respondent fell dangerously short of this standard. His conduct undermined the collective duty of this august body to legislate with dignity and decorum. After an exhaustive, fair, and objective evaluation of the case, the committee finds respondent Representative Francisco Kiko A. Barsaga of the 4th District of Cavite to have committed disorderly behavior and demonstrated conduct unbecoming of a member of the House of Representatives by violating Section 141A and B, Rule 20 of the House Rules, and Section 4AB of Republic Act 6713, with the representative having meted with 60-day suspensions in 2 instances. The committee considers that another penalty of suspension will not likely deter the improper behavior which continuously reflects negatively on the image of the House of Representatives. Therefore, the committee approves to recommend the imposition of the most severe penalty of expulsion from office upon Representative Kiko Barsaga pursuant to Section 16, Paragraph 3, Article 6 of the Constitution, Section 142, Rule 20 of the Rules of the House of Representatives, and Section 52B5, Rule 9 of the Committee Rules. Madam Speaker, let this report serve as a firm reminder that while opinions may differ and expressions may vary, the sanctity of the legislative process and respect for the Filipino people we represent must remain absolute. I urge my distinguished colleagues to approve this committee report. Maraming salamat po, Madam Speaker.
Majority Leader, with 265 members voting in the affirmative, 14 in the negative, and 8 abstentions, the findings and recommendations contained in Committee Report Number 298 are hereby adopted.
Madam Chair, point of
Representative
order.
Barsaga is hereby notified of the action taken by the House on Committee Report Number 298.
Ang klaro ngayon ay tanggal na sa trabaho pagka-congressman si Congressman Francisco Kiko Meow Barsaga. Yun ang ano niya, yun ang signature niya, Meow, kasi marami siyang alagang pusa at siya ay animal lover, pet lover. Nag-aalaga siya ng mga animals. Ang dami-dami niyang pusa, pinapakita niya yan sa kanyang vlog sa kanilang bahay. Kaya ingat-ingat sa pagpupost para iwas abala sa ating buhay, ha. Tutukan natin ngayong araw, June 3, kung magbabalik session nga ang ating mga senador. At yan na muna ang ating balita sa oras na ito. Laging tumutok dito sa Radyo Abantes GTV at nang marami kayong malaman na mga balita.